Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. What am I moving like this for? Am I in some 60s psychedelic movie? I don't think so. I'm here welcoming you to my channel and to see what I'm going to do today. I hope you will like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. We are on the road to 1,500 subscribers, which is fantastic and exciting every day. And we are going to look at a very special palette that I had to pre-order. It is called the Plain Jane palette, and it is from Adept Cosmetics, and it is simply a stunning, stunning palette. Look at that. And if you think that looks good, wait till you see the swatches. So let's see the swatches. Bam! Look at that. Just look at the shine. They're all shimmers. And some of these are, let me get close, just see the magic. Look at that, it's magical. They're also ethereal and beautiful. And I'm gonna be doing a look with that in just a second. Let's clean up the old arm, which is now going to be super shiny, which I don't mind at all. And it's hard to know where to go with this palette because it is so shimmery and delightful. But I'll figure something out. I always do. Always do. Anyway, it is a beautiful day outside. And I feel like $1,000,000. Why not? Why not $1,001? Let's see. I'm going to start this look. I don't know what's wrong with me, but you keep coming back. Must mean something. But I'm going to start with, it's so hard to choose. I'm going to start with this color here in the crease, and it is called AC13. And this is just a beautiful pink shimmer. And I think I'm going to keep it real simple because I'm using all shimmers today. I'm going to go into another shimmer because that's what there are, shimmers. And I'm going to go into AC12, the fluffy brush. And this is just a beautiful look. And it just looks gorgeous and effortless and ethereal. And I'm going to go in with my finger and hit this AC17 and put it on the center. That's brightening it up quite a bit. And I'm not used to doing all shimmer looks. And a lot of these shimmers are just ethereal. They're just so light and delicate that I know you can mix this with a bunch of other things, but I just wanted to do a straight up shimmer look with that. Let's do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And then here we have it. A beautiful look. Let's see what we can do with the lips. Let's do something a little bold since this is just such a beautiful iridescent shimmer. Let's do something pretty. I think I want to carry the pink theme. It's so hard to choose. There's so many good colors that I have. I think I'm going to go with Calabasas. And this is one of my first two Jeffree Star lippies that I fell in love with is Gemini and Calabasas. And this is Calabasas. And this is my OG. I got a backup over here. It's just waiting to be released. This is getting actually a little dry, so I may retire this one. But like I said, I have had a replacement waiting for just the right time. But this is the look with the Plain Jane palette from Adept Cosmetics, and I love it. I'm very happy with it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. If you get a chance, I had to pre-order this. You know, it's totally worth getting. I mean, these shimmers are just the coolest. Have a great day. We'll see you real soon.